Start. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. What's up, guys? I'm going over Tuesday, February 18th, 2025. So, yeah, coming into the day, we had London highs that I was kind of looking to see swept. I don't know if we took them out or not. Okay, we did. So we had an SMT with them. So I was kind of leaning towards being bullish, but we did have a lot of stuff on the like sell side area that did want to see getting taken out. For instance, we had this candle just appeared. So let's pretend this is no. This is what it looked like pre-market, okay? So we had this 4 hour right here that I wanted to see us trade into and reject off of. We ended up not doing that. We traded down all the way to here, which you're gonna see. What time is it? 9:10. Okay. Yeah, coming into market open, we decided to completely blow through that 4 hour that was right around here and just go straight down. So I was looking for kind of external targets. I had this sell side right here set out. Let's put that there. And then I had a 4 hour here with 4 hour order block, kind of just extra confidence because we ended up just chopping lower. So yeah, 10 a.m. open right there. We opened low. This is that sell side, obviously. Where is it? Okay, here we go. All right, yeah, we opened low. So this is the 10 a.m. high right over here. I think we might have put an SMT with it. I don't know. But we were trading inside a 4 hour. We have an SMT inside this 4 hour. And we get a 4 minute fair value inversion fair value gap. So this was my entry today. Stops down at the wick low just because we have an SMT. That's just back testing data for me. That's how I like to roll. That sounds so stupid. Like how I roll, bro. That's how I roll, guys. Anyways, it did end up saving me. If I had it on the bodies, I would have got fucked there. So that stop placement was good. And then right around here is where I went break even just because we did make an SMT with those like early 10 a.m. highs, I believe. So we're tapping in our high time frame PD array. And that is where I went. Oh, come on, bro. Wait up. Okay. So yeah, went break even right around here. Hopefully it doesn't kick me out this time. And where did I take parcels? It was like right around there. Yeah, so I took a partial right around here. And then my final target was this buy side right here. That was like the pre 10 a.m. highs. And if I am correct, we never ended up taking those out. This was a long trade that I sat through, bro. We just chopped. I thought I was going to get saved here. We didn't. And then thought I was going to get saved here. We got really close to my TP, and then we dump. And I got break even right there. But it's not kicking me out. It'll kick me out in a bit, I bet. Bro, this is so annoying. There we go. Yeah, so you get the idea, right? Like, super long trade. I probably should have just smacked like a 1 to a 5, 1 to 1.5 R instead of trying to get the 2, just because of how conditions were today. But, I mean, good trade regardless. You know, manage the risk. I think I'm up. Not even that much, bro. Like, maybe 150, 200. I had a malfunction executing. So I was down like $50 or some shit on both my accounts. So the partials kind of just barely offset that loss from my like trades earlier, where I don't know, bro. If any of you know how to use Tradeovate trade copier, let me know, because that's what fucked me over. I was trying to use the trade copier and it fucked me over, and I had to like try and get out, and I got a $50 loss, which wasn't bad, but like it's a pain in the ass. But yeah, end of the day, probably up like $150, something like that. Pretty good, honestly, for a day like today. I'm happy with it. Starting off the week with a good analysis, regardless of P&L, right? Like, I don't know, I'm back testing, bro. I'm not smacking a 1-to-1 RR, pretty much. That's like this. If I had known this was an hourly fair value gap, maybe, but I was thinking it was like a 15, so it wasn't really in my mind that it would be a huge place to reverse, and I just didn't want to tamper with my trade too much when we're already like in so deep, you know? So whatever. Good trade, you know. Like everything stacked up here. Perfect, you know, unfilled 4-hour value gap tap. We just have so much of a range that needs to be rebalanced. We probably didn't even, yeah. We didn't really trade into equilibrium until later on in the day. If I can exit out, I'll show you. Yeah, all that, right? And I mean, good trade. Waited patiently for a proper setup. I like the fact we had an SMT, because on days like this, SMTs really do give me the confidence I need to enter a trade like this, especially when we're like just dumping down all morning. It's a pain in the ass. Like this, just up, down, up, down, up, down. Like, you know, this probably inversed on a higher time frame fair value gap right here, right? So like if I'm entering here, what's to say I'm not just gonna have this exact big dagger come and stop me out, right? Like you, like on days like this where you're just dumping and then you get these like lower chop, you need the maximum amount of confirmation you're gonna get. So you know, a really high time frame PDRA, an order block, an SMT, and a 4-minute fair value inversion fair value gap solidifies the deal for me. And I mean, yeah, I was happy with that trade. Good trade. Anyways, thank you guys. I'm gonna be posting either tomorrow or the day after a video about how to get out of the break-even stage, because I know that's a big struggle with a lot of people. Definitely was with myself. So I'll be posting that. Look out for it. And if you want to go to my website and grab the Notion document I had in the previous video, just fill out the form and I'll send it over to you, okay? Thank you. God bless.